Today on World Famous Foods, we're doing a very simple omelette. As always, let's cook. So we're using one of the world's first food processor. Got a little bit of sea salt, coarse, some black peppercorns. And start processing this or grinding it up. There's our progress. Now we're going to add some Serrano Peppers and some shallots. Keep working this, keep working it out. Garlic and some basil. It's really having a great smell. Okay folks, here's what we got so far. We're going to add this to our eggs. Okay folks, so we have our 3 eggs. Scramble these up. And I'm going to add our mixture to this. Keep scrambling. I'm going to finish slicing up our tomato. Again, this is a really easy recipe. Nice rainy day outside, quick omelette. Okay, now we're going to add our butter to the pan. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to put our tomatoes in here. I'm going to put a little bit more butter. Put that flavor in there. Oh yeah. Now we're going to add our eggs. Turn our heat down to medium. We're going to cover this. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good. We're going to add some mozzarella cheese on top of this. Going to cover this back. Couple more minutes. Okay folks. Omelette is finished. Here we go. World Famous Foods easy omelette with our first or early food processor. All right, let's cut a piece of this. Ooh, so creamy. Here we go. Enjoy.